The lowest quote can be tempting, but in commercial HVAC, what you save up front, you pay back tenfold in breakdowns, inefficiency, and sky-high energy bills. Proper installation starts with precision planning and correct sizing using quality materials installed to manufacturer and Australian standards, and ends with full commissioning and balancing for peak efficiency. The result? A system that delivers reliable comfort, uses less energy, and protects your operational budget for over a decade. Backed by our 5-year workmanship guarantee. Invest in performance from day one. Partner with Shelair for your next project.